Hi everyone, I am Muhammad Saif Ansari and I am going to start a YouTube playlist of building a project which is Agentic RAG. So imagine you find an article online related to finance, tech or health, and you can paste that link on a web app, and instantly you can ask related to questions related to that article, like what is the main finding of this article, or what is the summary of this article. So let me share my screen and show you the demo about this project. So now I have filled these uh, essentials for this app, and let me click this done. So here API key saved, and now it's running in the background, like creating the collection. And so here it is. So let me paste any link. So I'm going to paste this link of article which is related to agentic RAG. So control C, control V, and let me click this, enter URL. Now it's doing its process. So here it is processing documents, and after some time it will extract the text first from this article, then convert into chunks, then into embeddings. And the embedding model which I am using is Google Gemini embedding 001. And after that the embedding will be stored in Qdrant vector database. So, and after that when you will query related to the article, then from the Qdrant database relevant document will be fetched, and based on that LLM will generate the answer. So let me ask any query. What is agentic RAG? And let me submit the query. Now it's generating response. So it has generated the response, which is agentic RAG inject intelligence autonomy into the traditional retrieval argument generation frameworks, and it transform a regular RAG system into an autonomous agent capable of making its own decision and taking action and achieving specific goals. These agents are context aware and employ intelligent relevant strategies, offering a sophisticated approach to information retrieval and language. And let me compare this with the original thing. So where it is, at its core agentic rates are injecting intelligence autonomous into the RAG framework. And if you can see, agentic RAG inject intelligent and autonomy into the traditional RAG system. So it is giving response based on this article. This is the workflow of Agentic RAG project pipeline, and we start with this agent node, which is main decision maker of this pipeline. And this is a Google Gemini 2.5 Flash LLM. So when user ask query related to the article which he provided, then this agent node on this conditional age check whether there is a requirement to retrieve context from vector database or not. If answer is no, then pipeline ends here, and if the answer is yes, then this agent node call this tool node, in which this tool node retrieve context based on the user query from the vector database. And this again, this agent uh, check on this conditional age whether the document which has retrieved from vector database is relevant or not. If the answer is no, then this agent call this rewrite agent again, and this rewrite agent write the query better to retrieve better context from the vector database. And if the answer is yes, then this agent call this generate node, and this generate node get the context from relevant context which is retrieved from vector database, and give response based on that. By the end of this playlist, you will have your own AI powered research assistant that you can use or even showcase in your portfolio. If you are a student, developer, or you want to break into AI engineering, so this will help you to stand out. So subscribe, follow step by step, and let's build together. And one thing which I want to say, that I'm not going to code line by line in this project. I have pre-built this project, so if I will code along line by line in these videos, so the length of the video will become very long and I don't want to do that. So that's why I will have just explain line by line every code. So I will not leave any thing untouched. And